Good morning. I am making soup today. This soup smells really, really good.
Oh, today is garbage day. I must hurry.
I will turn the soup down. Just 5 minutes.
I must take the bin out. Very quickly.
It is so cold outside today.
Come on, bin. The truck is almost here. Wait, please do not leave yet.
Yes!
What? Good. Now back inside. It is freezing. Oh no. Oh no, my keys. My keys are inside. I am locked out. I am locked out. And it is so cold.
Hello? Hello? Can anyone hear me?
My children are inside. They play games. They cannot hear me. The headphones!
Hey, look at me! I am outside! Please! My hands are numb. I cannot feel them. Wait! I have an idea. A snowball. I will throw a snowball at the window.
Thump! The snowball hits the window hard! The kids look up. What was that sound?
Open the door! It is me, your mom! Open the door! It is me, your mom! Open the door! It is me, your mom! They put headphones on again. Oh no.
Wait. There is a ladder by the garage.
The upstairs window is open a little bit.
This ladder is very slippery and scary. Oh, wow. I am very high. Do not look down! Anna, what are you doing on that ladder? Oh.
hi, Mrs. Peterson. Just fixing a shingle.
I am locked out. My keys are inside.
Come down. You can wait at my house.
Thank you. You are so kind, Mrs. Peterson. This tea is warm. I feel much better now.
Wait. My phone has no internet signal.
I have a plan.
A very desperate.
I will turn off the Wi-Fi at home. Yes!
Done. Now I wait. They will notice soon.
Inside, the internet is gone. He sees Mom outside. She is waving.
Finally, the door's open. Here I come. I am inside. Oh, finally, I am so cold.
Wait, do I smell something burning?
Oh no! My beautiful soup is ruined.
Oh. Hi, Anna. Is everything okay here?
Busted! Dad had a secret room. Oh my!
Look at this soup. Everybody, I am sorry.
I made lemon cake. Peace offering, yes?
No screens tonight, just our family, together.
This is so nice.
The cake looks amazing. Can I have a slice?
And that is how I got back inside today.